Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.42 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. Okay, if you are unable to find the version here, then you can click on this archives. There you will find the older versions. Okay, so select the version, then select the operating system. See here we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal, mod/etc os-release. See here its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, so and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. So select Ubuntu Linux, then select the Ubuntu version 24.04. Noble is the code for this Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so once you selected these options, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed for the MySQL 8.0.42. Instead of downloading these packages, just download this deb bundle. So click on this download button, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, see download started, and it's see here its size is 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal again, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.0.42 deb bundle tar file. We have to untar this file, tar-exec, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install these packages, but before installing them we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt get install macap -ipadic utf8, then libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already newer versions. Okay, ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Select OK and hit enter. Now select the default authentication plugins. The first one, that is use strong password encryption, is the recommended, or use the legacy authentication method. It is up to you. Select them and use the tab to come to OK and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A, verify the status, sudo systemctl status MySQL, hit enter. See, MySQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p, provide the password that we have set for the root account. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. It is okay. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, now we will see how to create a database. Then we will create the table in that database. Show databases to verify the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Now switch to this new database by using the command use is the keyword. Then provide the database name. See here, now database changed. Also verify current database. Database. See, we are in the bank database. Show tables will be empty. See, we don't have any tables, so create a table. Create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will see how to create a user. First verify list of users, show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server installation. Now create a user, create. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Verify again. See, we have created user. Now connect to MySQL with this new user. Exit. Now connect MySQL. MySQL-u. Username is David-P. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Linux Mint 22.1. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. It is stopped, so verify the status. See, MySQL is inactive or dead. We can also verify by trying to MySQL server when it is stopped. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify. See, MySQL is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart, then MySQL. See, we have successfully restarted. Control A. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now come to this download directory ls. These files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.deb ls. See, here we have the one more file. Remove this tar file also. rm, give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Linux Mint 22.1. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.